Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a young boy named Jack. Jack was known for his laziness and procrastination. He would always postpone his chores and homework, and spent most of his time playing with his friends. His parents often scolded him for his behavior, but Jack never paid much attention to their words. One day, as Jack was playing in the fields with his friends, he saw an old man walking towards him. The old man was carrying a heavy load of firewood on his back. Jack and his friends laughed at the old man and made fun of him. The old man ignored their taunts and continued on his way. A few days later, Jack's village was hit by a terrible storm. The storm caused a lot of damage to the village, and many houses were destroyed. Jack's family's house was one of them. Jack and his family had to seek shelter in their neighbor's house, as theirs was no longer habitable. As days passed, Jack realized the importance of hard work and responsibility. He regretted not listening to his parents and not taking care of his duties. He felt ashamed of himself for making fun of the old man who worked so hard to make a living. Jack decided to change his ways and started helping his neighbors with the rebuilding of the village. He worked tirelessly, carrying heavy loads of wood and helping with the construction work. His efforts did not go unnoticed, and soon the villagers started respecting him for his hard work and dedication. The old man whom Jack had made fun of also noticed the change in him. He approached Jack one day and told him, "Hard work and responsibility are the keys to success. It is important to take care of our duties and help others in need." Jack thanked the old man for his wise words and promised to always work hard and be responsible. From that day on, Jack became a responsible and hard-working young man. He realized that laziness and procrastination only lead to trouble, while hard work and dedication bring success and respect. The village was eventually rebuilt, and Jack became an example for the other children in the village. The moral of the story is that hard work and responsibility are important virtues that lead to success and respect. It is important to take care of our duties and help others in need, rather than being lazy and irresponsible.